Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to submit business receipt tax report. First of all, open your browser, visit ards.ard.gov.af webpage, then put your username and password. Press the enter button or sign in button. After signing in, go to filing and click due filing. In due filing section you will find these notifications. You can close these. The red alert means that some of your tax return are due. You have to submit and pay this form as soon as possible. You can see this form are due. You can also close this notification. Now let's find our exact BRT tax form. Let's say we are submitting tax report for the second quarter of 1399. This is our form, start date, end date, and information about this form. Now click here. In the create assessment page you will see this information. You can cancel and go back. Information about your company, information about your firm, filing due date, payment due date. This information important. You can find it in all assessment forms. Start date of the period, end date of the period, tax period, and filing date, which is today, and then information about custom and withholding prepayments like ACCD forms or contract withholding tax forms. If you have any, you can put it in here, date and comment. If you don't have any activity during this period, you can put 0 in here and press the submit button. That's all the thing you have to do. But if you do have activities, you have to put the amount of contract withholding tax form or ACCD, or some call it mim shanza, and then select the last day of the quarter, and then in comment you have to say whether it is ACCD or contract withholding tax form or mim shanza. And then you have to press the transfer button. Before claiming any prepayment tax, you have to make sure that you have a proper supporting document for this. These supporting documents could be contract withholding tax form withheld by your customer. If you have provided goods or services to Afghanistan government, they will give you a tax withholding form, which they call it mim shanza, and all of your customs ACCD form which you have paid BRT tax in it. In the second section, you have to put your gross receipts of sales for legal person here, and if you are a natural person with gross receipt of sales exceeding 750,000 Afghani, you have to put it in here, and the gross receipt of restaurants less than 750,000 should be put in here. And let's say we have 9 million Afghani income for the quarter. You should leave these fields blank and then press the submit button. But before submitting, make sure everything is fine, then press the submit button. After submitting, you will see notice of assessment. Here you can see edit your assessment, and a notification which says your tax return was submitted successfully. Here you can see information about your company and your tax return, and in this section information which you submitted and information which is assessed. This is calculated automatically 4% BRT tax, and this is the total payable amount. In the payment section you will see due payment and amount paid, which is prepayment which we claimed, and then your balance. Please keep in mind the system is calculating penalties automatically. You don't have to manually calculate this, and this is your total payable amount. You can edit your assessment. You can generate your PDF. You will be able to download your PDF format, and you can also print the PDF. Then the print preview will show up. You have to keep the soft copy and hard copy of this form in a secure place. You have to make sure you have kept this form for a minimum of 5 years. then press the save, and that is how you submit a business receipt tax report. Thanks for your time. In the next video you will learn how to submit wages withholding tax report.